m'appelle Syndie, j'habite aux États-Unis et c'est la première classe française pour moi. Les macarons, madame, combien coûtait une espresso et combien coûtait le macaron? All right, so I'm gonna start planning my week. Sometimes either do it on my iPad here or I'll do it on Notion. Like I'll either do it in GoodNotes or Notion. And I started doing it in GoodNotes only because I have this planner. It's called the That Girl Planner. I'll link it below. It helps me to organize a little bit better because sometimes I like to write. I'm very old school and I like to write things down. We're in October right now, and so I kind of just start planning like my goals and content that I plan on putting out. Like I want to continue the Single Syndie diaries. I want to do some 5 a.m. diaries / work vlogs and work vlogs. I also want to just to do some fall content. My goal for YouTube this month is a big goal. It's 35K. I just hit 30K and I feel like I could probably get to like 31, 32 just if I continue with my content, but I'm going to push for 35. I'm trying to edit every day because I accumulate a lot of footage and it takes me a long time to edit. I also want to upload, I say 6 to 8, but I probably will try to see if I can make that because work has been busy and it's a very busy time right now. I'm in this season right now where I feel like my life is kind of boring, but in a good way. I feel like God's calling me to really just like focus on myself and kind of like not isolate, but just really like be to myself and like work on myself and read, work out, and like learn new hobbies and learn new things. Like I'm learning French now. I started taking classes. A little bit about Lingoda. Lingoda is an online language learning school, so you can learn languages like French, English, Spanish, German, business English, and plenty more. And the reason why I chose to use Lingoda is because I like the flexibility of their classes. So with me working a 9 to 5, doing content creation and trying to balance everything else in life of working out, cooking, I wanted something that was going to fit into my schedule, and Lingoda's flexibility was so perfect because they have classes pretty much almost any time of the day. I chose to do the classes from home this morning at 7 a.m. because I wake up at 5 and I am usually more productive in the morning, and so I really like that about that. And in today's class, what I was learning was how to ask for the prices of things and how to order cafes, how to order things at restaurants. And of course, one of my favorite things to do when I went to France last time was to go to cafes, and I plan to do that many more because I love coffee. So I learned how to ask for how to order to get a coffee, how much the coffee cost, and how to pay, and say whether am I paying in cash or am I using a card. It's just a lot of things that are going to be helpful when I get to France, and because I love to drink coffee so much. I really enjoy the fact that the classes are like between 3 to 4 people, so it's fairly small and intimate, and you have a native language speaker in the class. So we had a native French speaker in the class, and it was nice to practice and have that space to be corrected when I messed up on a word or if I didn't understand something. So if you guys are interested in learning a language, definitely check out their free 7-day trial where you can get 3 group classes or 1 private class. And if you decide to stick with Lingoda, which I think you will because I really enjoy Lingoda, use my code to get 20% off of your first month. That's one of my goals for this month. Like I said, this video is sponsored by Lingoda. Thank you for sponsoring this portion of the video. If you guys are interested, I'll have everything linked below in the description bar. So yeah, one of my goals this month is to continue learning French and taking classes. I want to start learning French again, which I have been doing. I want to read 2 books. First book that I started reading this on the 1st. I'm already halfway through, and it's called The Art of Everyday Assertiveness by Patrick King. So this book is just really kind of helping you to set better boundaries, to speak up for yourself, be more assertive, because I did take my personality test and I found out that I'm not a very assertive person, and I'm really trying to work on that. Another goal that I have is I want to cook more foods at home. You guys know I love to cook, but I will say being single and living alone, I don't cook as much because I'm like, it's hard to like cook for a small amount because I'm so used to cooking for a lot. So having to learn how to cook for one person, it's been something new for me. And because of that, I've been buying a lot of Uber Eats, and this month I said no more Uber Eats. Once in a while, okay, but like less takeout, more cooked meals. And it's fall. It's the perfect time to be cooking and baking. So that's another goal. I did have in here that I wanted to update my resume because I haven't updated in a while. I've been back to work for over a year now, and there's a new position, a senior role that's possibly opening at my job, and so I want to apply for it. I don't know if I have all the skills to get it, but it's a good exercise for me to update my resume and to kind of build on my skill set. And another thing that I didn't put on here is continue to grow my skill set with Tableau, because that's something I really want to know for my job as an analyst, so I put that on there. I also want to stick to my monthly budget because I've been spending a lot this summer. You know, you spend a little bit more, and so I want to get back to my goal. But all right, enough of that. I did get a little chilly, so I put my sweater on, but I'm gonna go make dinner and we're gonna just relax for the rest of the day.